Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial with the Brave Spirit palette from Makeup Revolution. I bought another palette from Makeup Revolution and I got this one as a free gift, and I was feeling the colors today, so I figured I would do a look with it today. So this is the colors in the palette. So if you would like to see the look that I create today, then go ahead and stay tuned. So before we hop into the video, I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by my channel. I don't know how you found me, but welcome. I really appreciate you checking out my video. If you're not familiar, and I do beauty videos, so reviews, tutorials, all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already washed my face and I moisturized, and I think today I'm gonna do my eyes first. Let's go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. So here are the colors in the palette, and I was really feeling these three, like the orange, the purple, and the pink. I think all the colors are really pretty, but I think those are the ones that I want to work with today. So we're gonna create like a pinky purple, kind of like, it reminds me of sorbet, like sorbet ice cream. So let's go ahead and start with the purple shade, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and corner. We'll see, we'll just play around. This is my first time using this palette. Like I said, I ordered a different Makeup Revolution palette and they sent me this as a free gift. So I don't know how pigmented it is. It's a brand new palette. So I will give my final thoughts at the end. So far, like, I think it's okay. The shade, it's kind of a little muddy, but we'll see how it turns out in the end. Next, I'm going to go in with this orange shade right here, and I'm going to take that above this color. That's done, I'm gonna go in with the pink shade, and I'm hoping that it's a little bit more pigmented than what I have going on here. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. So let's see how this works, but so far I'm not that impressed with this palette. I think the pink pink is blending into the purple really nicely. So I think so far this pink is my favorite color out of what I've done so far. I'm gonna go back in with the purple that we took, and I'm gonna try to blend things out a little bit better because I feel like this purple still looks really muddy. Okay, now I want to do a lower lash line color, and I want to pick one of like either the teal color or the blue color, or maybe both. Let's see. Okay, now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my face, and then when I come back, I'm going to give a review and my final thoughts about this palette, and then I will do some swatches for you guys. So I will be right back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. So here is the finished look with all of my makeup on. So I thought I would go over my final thoughts, do some swatches for you guys. Like I said, I bought a palette from Makeup Revolution off of Ulta, the website, and with that purchase it said that I got a free gift, and this was the free gift that I got with my other palette, and I will be doing a video on that other palette as well. But so the Brave Spirit palette by Makeup Revolution, is it a great palette? No, absolutely not. I am liking the way that this look is right now. However, I feel like the purple is very muddy looking. I thought the orange was okay. It didn't really blend out as well as I thought it would for being a lighter color. The pink was a nice color that seemed pretty easy to blend, and I am liking this blue as well. I'm a little disappointed with the pigmentation, to be honest. These colors just look so pretty, and I thought that they were not that pigmented as I was expecting. On a positive note, I didn't have any fallout on my face. However, there was fallout in the pan. Fallout to me isn't really a big deal. If I did have it on my face, I would just take a fluffy brush and, sweep it off, and it's usually fine. I want to try these other colors, so I'm just gonna do swatches of everything for you in this palette. So we'll start with the first shade, and I don't think there's any names to these. It just says on the back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to take number 1. So that's number 1. We'll take shade 2, which is the orange color that we have above on our brow bone. See, it swatches so much nicer than it looks on my face. Okay, and then the number 3 is this purple that I was really disappointed with. Yeah, see, it's pretty streaky. It was I don't know, I feel like it got pretty muddy like in the corners. Okay, and then the next color is shade number 4, which is the pink. Yeah, there's the pink. Next shade, which I think is pretty in the pan, 1, 2, 3, 4, is the 5th shade. This is the silver shade. It's a nice one. And then the blue one, which I was I was okay with. I think it turned out all right. And then we have the, we have the brown right here. Yeah, that looks like a nice eyeshadow. Doesn't look streaky or anything. It's pretty pigmented, that one. And then the last one, which I thought is pretty in the pan, is this teal color. Yeah, that's pretty too. So those are the colors in the pan. There's 8 shades. There you go. So, like I said, I think it's an okay look for today. I mean, I'm just home in quarantine, to be honest. But I just wasn't happy with the purple and the orange. However, it is still a really cute look. And, I mean, it's not bad for a free palette. But if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below and let me know if you have this palette. What's your experience with it? How do you think this look turned out? And please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.